Couldn't stay with us. Going to quickly take it across to Angel Broking's Mayuresh Joshi, and he's picked Menon Bearings as his top pick for the long-term wealth creation. Here's his rationale on why he likes the stock.
Menon Bearings looks very interesting within the auto ancillary space. Out of the total top line, 70% of its business comes in from the bearing subsegment, and the remainder 30% comes from the aluminium die casting business. Out of the total top line, again, 35% is exports, and 55% of the total top line is the bearing business, which contributes specifically towards commercial vehicles. Now, with commercial vehicles and the medium and heavy commercial vehicles expected to do extremely well, the growth for the bearings component maker is expected to remain extremely buoyant over the next few quarters. So the bearings division is expected to perform exceedingly well. On the aluminium die casting business, Honeywell, its top client in India, is expected to perform very well on behalf of the company. And in terms of its export orders, John Deere and Cummins are expected to contribute meaningfully towards order flow. So this business is expected to grow twice of what it has probably grown over the last 2 or 3 years. And that again will give a huge amount of support in terms of the EBIT and EBITDA margins for the company. In terms of financials, our own expectations are a 15% top line, 18% bottom line growth. And with the components of exports increasing in the overall pie, with higher margin composition from the export segment, you're probably expected to see a 28-29% EBITDA margins with ROEs at similar levels. So the way I look at the stock is looks very interestingly poised within this subsegment. Any significant decline can be taken as an opportunity to buy stock in a staggered way.
Well, that was Mayuresh Joshi from Angel Broking. Menon Bearings is his wealth creation ideas. In fact, the stock has already created a lot of wealth. In last 3 years, stock has gone up from around 25 rupees to 100 plus. That's 4 times returns, and that's quite high for a mid-cap stock. Moving on.